you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to bring a brand new box to my channel. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you the gentleman's box. This is the seasonal box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the gentleman's box. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to review and to show my viewers. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company first. That's what I do when I first bring a box to my channel, and then we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing and see what's inside. Now, they did give me my own code, which is SheCrafty25. That'll get you 25% off your first order. And yeah, so what is the gentleman's box, you might be asking? It is the #1 lifestyle subscription box for men. So this would be a really good idea for a gift or for a family member, something like that. You can send a one-time box, or you can do a gift subscription or that kind of thing, but this would be for the gentleman in your life. And let's see. So it says, enjoy premium high quality brands and products delivered to your doorstep every 3 months. So again, this one is the seasonal. They do also have a monthly, which I'll get into. Become part of an elite subscription that delivers high quality products such as leather goods, electronics, premium hardware, luxuries, and more from top well-known brands each quarter. Sign up online to become a premium member by answering a few short questionnaires about yourself. The experience. Each quarter, you'll receive a box at your doorstep, sure to elevate your lifestyle. Skip a quarter, cancel at any time, and have access to superior customer support. High quality. Each box is carefully curated with quality in mind and will include between 4 to 5 items. Enjoy unique material and brands sourced from all over the world. Exclusive access. Gain VIP access to exclusive offers and be the first to know of exciting partnership, special edition boxes, products, early releases, and more. This premium quarterly box is $100 and it has a worth of $200 or more. Valued of 4 to 5 luxury goods and US free shipping. So United States has free shipping. Again, it's $100 and you should have at least $200 value inside, which that seems amazing. Now, the gentleman's box is great for gift giving. Choose between our classic and our premium box options and our prepaid gift subscriptions with a set end date. They also have the Classic Man, which is the modern style. Take control of your style with the #1 subscription for men, offering 4 to 6 fashion essentials delivered right to your door. Over $100 value, starting at $29 a month with free shipping. So that one, depending on how many months you prepay for, could be as low as $29 a month with free shipping, and that one has a value of $100. So they do have a monthly subscription box, but I think this quarterly box seems better value, worth it, and it just seems like you're gonna get better quality items inside, and it's only 4 times a year. So let's go ahead and dive in, but at least they have both options, and SheCrafty25 will get you 25% off. So let's go ahead and dive in. This is a pretty big box, you guys. It is pretty hefty, as in it feels a little heavy. And then it says tear here. Okay. So it says, how to be a true gentleman. Look good, feel good, and be good. Okay, you guys. So it looks like, there's going to be some items down in here. There is a paper, and that's what you get a sneak peek of down in the box. So let me just set this down. So this is the paper. It says the Outdoorsman Edition, and it says the gentleman's box. There's a page that says information from the curator. So there's all information about that. So it says on this paper that was in here, it says, you may notice that your premium edition box looks a little different this quarter. Okay, maybe a lot different than all of the black, sleek premium boxes we typically ship out. Two theories for what happened come to mind. Our printing supplier is listening to too much Baby Shark, or they thought it would be cool to make the box look like its younger brother, the classic edition box, which does have the same print this month. Okay, so I guess it normally used to come in a different box and now it's coming in this box. So let's go ahead and dive in. I did not see any pricing, but it's supposed to have at least a $200 value. We just don't know what the value is going to be. So the first item is right here, and this looks like it's going to be a blanket. The Eco Vessel blanket is perfect for cooling fall temperatures. This blanket is soft and cozy and can be used both indoors and outdoors. So it does say that you can shop their shop and use code GBOX30 to save 30% off. This says hand wash cold, iron low heat, do not dry clean, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. So this looks like it's a good size blanket, and I really like the colors. So that's what it looks like without the plastic. So it is a wool blanket, and it's going to be really large because it has a lot of things that need to open up. So this is a really large size blanket. It doesn't even tell me like the dimensions of it. I like that it's a nice big full blanket. So there's item number 1. So next is in this bag, and it says that this is gear made to fit your lifestyle. It's the gear scoop. Okay, so it looks like what's going to be down in here is a parachute hammock. So it's a hammock that looks like it's kind of made out of parachute, maybe material, but there are some ropes. There's some more rope. And down in here, it looks like it's like a whole, it looks like it's a parachute coming out. But this is actually a hammock, you guys. That's really cool because if you're camping, this is so mobile. You can drop this in your camping backpack or attach it to your camping backpack, and you can set up an actual hammock and have a little hammock while you're outside outdoors. That's really neat. It does have a little picture. It's going to be kind of hard to kind of see, but there is a picture right there of, I guess, what it would look like once you have it all out. So there's the hammock, and everything looks like it's all down inside of here. I don't want to pull it all out because I probably won't get it back in this little bag. So I'm going to put I'm just going to close this one back up again, but it does have this little drawstring. So you could keep it all down inside of this, and you would have a hammock that you can put up anywhere, anytime. They do have a list here of camping essentials. So if you are going to go camping, it tells you survival knife, a blanket or sleeping bag, first aid kit, insect repellent, outdoor camping chairs, a parachute hammock necessary for maximum relaxation, it says, a lantern, utensils for eating, appropriate clothes, check the weather and the forecast, camping stove or grilling rack to place over a fire, campfire games. Your new roll-up checkerboard will do. So maybe that's going to be inside of here. And it looks like we will be having that. So let's go ahead and get into that one now. Okay, so the roll-up checker and chess game would be down inside of here. So it says traveling chess and checkers. So at least it's 2. So you have 2 different games that you can play on the same board. That's kind of cool. And it has the logo. How cute. There's actually a little zipper at the end. So I guess all the pieces are going to be down in here. Yes. So you have all of the pieces down inside here. They're in plastic, which once you open them, they'll just, you know, you can set them in here. And they fit in here perfectly, like this little roll. So you keep your pieces here. And then here is your board. And you have all leather on that side. And then you roll it up when you're done. That is really neat. I like that. And then you just roll it up. And you have 2 different games that you can play off of. I like how it's designed and how it keeps the little pieces in that little end piece. I think that's super cool. So there's that. Looks like they might have the little pieces on, see the images? So it'll look like chess pieces there by the image. So that's cool. Next we have, it says daily facial wipes with hyaluronic acid, 25 sheets from Baker Co. This says charcoal face wipes. Whether you're home or camping in the middle of nowhere, skincare should always be a priority. This quarter, we equipped you with Baker Co. Daily Facial Cleanser Wipes. Their daily facial wipes provide a full skincare routine in less than a minute. Just pull back the reusable tab, grab a wipe, scrub gently across your face, and you're done. So there's that in a reusable little container. And then there's one item left in here, you guys. That's going to be this right here. And it says, warning, spar knife, right there. You can put this around your belt. And then that is what that looks like. This says Vintage Gentleman's Knife. We've teamed up with Vintage Gentleman to bring you a heavy duty Damascus knife fit for a gentleman. The Vintage Gentleman brand was created to share a way of life that dates back for centuries. Their goal is to help cultivate gentlemen that can learn to slow down in its fast-paced life and enjoy culture, travel, and outdoors, fashion, business, adventure, and craftsmanship, to name a few. Your new survival knife not only looks badass, but it's also very useful. When heading out into the great outdoors, literally anything can happen. Therefore, it's best to always be prepared. Now, it says the blade is stainless steel, 4mm thick with mirror finish. Handle is solid, hard wood, Paca wood. Total length is 21 centimeters. Length of blade is 9.5 centimeters. And I like that it looks like a wood grain on the actual knife. That looks really neat. So there is a logo that's right there. So there's the handle. It is a pretty heavy duty knife. Like, this has some weight to it for sure. There's the side of the knife. There you go. And I like the little sleeve that it goes in. And then you just snap it back. There you go. And that is this knife right there. And it does actually give you ways to use your knife. It tells you a lot of useful information. It tells you for fishing, shelter, self-defense, cooking, first aid, cutting firewood. So there's a lot of information in here, and it goes over all of the different products. And then on the back, it even has name that national theme park. So it gives you all of the names, and then you can fill in the blank to which one you think is correct. It actually does give you the answers upside down right here too. So you'll know if you were right. Ooh, that one looks gorgeous. Look at that. Those are really pretty. So it gives you some little game in the back too. So that's really neat. So that is everything that came in the Gentleman's Premium seasonal box, you guys. Okay guys, so I just wanted to do a quick update regarding the Gentleman's box, because after I unboxed it, my man came home later on and I let him reopen everything and look at everything. And since I am a female, some of these products are just not like, they're not enticing to me, but they're geared for the gentleman in your life. So I wanted to let you know what the gentleman in my life felt about the box. The knife he absolutely loves, and I mean, he loves this knife. Like, I see this on his hip every single day now. Like, when he gets home, he's putting it on his belt loop and he's walking around the house with it. Like, he is loving the knife. He keeps pulling it out, looking at how well it's been crafted and how it's made and how the blade goes all the way through, and he can hold it with his one little finger and it's perfectly balanced. And he wanted me to make sure you guys could see that he was holding it up by one finger and it was perfectly balanced. He loves this knife, let me tell you. So the knife was definitely the steal of the box. Like, that was a star of the show for him. He likes the blanket. It's really large, and he thinks it would go perfect with the hammock, the parachute hammock. And actually the parachute hammock, looking at the photo, it was a little dark, like, because it's in the background, it's like a night sky. So it was really dark, but it looks like it's completely like netted, like you're covered. So if you're in the woods or the wilderness or just outside in general, you're not gonna get bugs and stuff on you. me with mosquitoes, like they would find me like there's no tomorrow. So that's awesome. That is like completely enclosed, and he thinks it's cool that the blanket came with it because you can put the blanket in with the hammock or use it while you're out there, you know, that kind of thing. And then the face wipes was the only thing he was like, isn't this like for makeup? Because he sees me with makeup wipes, and I'm like, no, these are just cleansing wipes. You can use them for anything. If you want to put them in your vehicle, you need to wipe your hands down, you can do that too. Like, they're just cleansing wipes. You can use them for anything. So that was the only thing that threw him off in the box. But the hammock he loved, the blanket he loved. Oh, and the little travel two-way checkers and chess board game. He really, really does like that. He likes how it's made, how it looks like it's like a leather roll, and how the pieces are stored in there. And even his uncle was like, ooh, when we go to stickball, you can bring that and we can sit there and play at the stickball field. So they're already peeping game on when they're gonna use it and how and all of that. So like, they really, really love this box. He said he can definitely see paying $100 for the box and it being a $200 value. He sees that. So I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know that this was a definite hit for him. He really, really enjoys this premium box. So I wanted you guys to know how well it went over in case you would like to get it for a gift or somebody that you know, for the gentleman in your life. So yeah, that's what I wanted to add to this to let you guys know. So a quick recap of this seasonal box. We have this knife in the case. We have this really big blanket. You have charcoal cleansing wipes. You have a parachute hammock, and you have 2 different games in one on a traveling chest and checker set. I'm going to assume this is going to be Fall's box. And yeah, so what did you think of the items that came in it? What do you think of the box in general? Do you see a $200 value? Again, this is $100 with free shipping, and my code will save you some money. But yeah, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.